Now, Rise 4. These are all of the different colors that you can get them in. Now, I wanted to go with the transparent, but they were sold out, so I wound up going with this one right here. As you can see, most of them have that grip at the back, and when I tell you, regular controllers are slippery. I mean, if you use a PS5 controller enough, then you already know, but yeah. They had a transparent one. I don't kind of see it anymore. But yeah, a lot of these were sold out. The carbon fiber one looked pretty clean. I almost went with this one again, but I wanted to get a little something different, so I wound up going with the white one. Mac Games in the building, and what's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm finna be getting into the back button attachment I got for my PS5 controller that gives you 4 buttons on the back end controller. Now, before we get into these, drop like subscribe, drop some bangs. Let's get it. So, this is what I'm talking about: the Extremerate Rise 4 remap. So the Rise 4 buttons, Rise 4. Get it? Ah, so great. All right, here we go. So with this one, you get 4 buttons. Now, I know you've seen in a previous video, I had the Rise 1. I just call it Rise 1, but I had the Rise remap kit that gave me 2 buttons on the back. I loved it. So I had to see what was to the 4 button one. When I say you put it together about the exact same way, I'll put some footage up on the screen now of me opening the controller. Now, I had a harder time opening this controller, but it's because it's a different kind of controller. But yeah. This is how it looks once it's complete. It has the extra buttons at the back. So I mapped X, circle, triangle, square. All of my different buttons in this the exact same way as the other one. You hold this button down until it becomes a solid red. And once it's a solid red, you hold down the button you're trying to map. And you hold down the button you're trying to map it to. It's gonna blink 3 times to let you know that it's successful. Boom, and you move on to the next one. And once you're done with all of them, you click and hold until the light goes away. Boom, you're ready to go. Now, my only problem with this controller is, I guess maybe I just got to get used to it. So it's not even really a problem. It's just I have to get used to this kind of thing. That my hand my finger tends to slip up and click the button here. Like I always click the button here and here. Well, really it's this one. So it's probably something I just got to get used to. But just, you're going to be clicking this button. But it also makes it easier to click the button if you know, maybe I just got to hold it down more. So then go up like this. Yeah, that could probably help too. Anyway, but yeah, I just feel like it's easier to click the button. But when it comes to having 4 buttons, this is pretty clean. Put it together the exact same way. And when it comes to competitive controllers, literally you will be paying over $200 for a scuff that is done the exact same way. I like the placement of these buttons, how easy it is to place these buttons in. Maybe we'll get a scuff down the line and check it out, how they work. But I'm finna get into some gameplay, show you guys me using the 4 button back button attachment in Warzone. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe. We out. The 4 button join. Come on, bro. What?
Good. Work your right, too. Work your right.
Oh, you shouldn't have messed with your squad. One of your allies is back in the game. Excited. You're losing ground. Move it. Enemy UAV active. They got me in their sights. Dropping into the AO.
Drop is behind you. do sometimes press triangle because my fingers, yeah.
I saw that nigga right there. Oh! Go crazy. Is that satchel? You want that satchel? Go crazy!
No shot, he lost that to me, Jack. That's crazy. Vision is crazy.
Why would he do that?
On me.
Oh, inside. I'm loaded.
One left directly under y'all. The fact that I can't jump off of this is crazy.
You got that nigga, you got that nigga. There you go, dude. Yeah, you got no more plate. It's two of y'all on one. Oh yeah! Hey, get your diamond on! Get your diamond on!
No, hey Taylor, he right there. I switched.
There's one nigga, Taylor, and he down some.
I switched weapons. You got it. No shot, you lost that. No shot, you lost that.
There's so many people, bro. It's crazy.